Imagine a world where your child's creativity knows no bounds. Our design studio is more than just a space. It's a playground for learning and self-expression. Here, imagination takes flight with tools like generative AI, 3D printing, laser cutting, and Arduino coding. From generative AI to visual designing, the possibilities are endless. Our studio is a canvas where your child can paint their dreams. Watch as they transform ideas into reality, exploring new horizons with every project. Our studio assistant is here to guide both you and your child. With a friendly face and expert knowledge, they make every visit a delightful adventure. Feel supported as you explore new creative territories together. Experience the joy of learning with a companion who understands your journey. Our assistant ensures that every moment spent in the studio is enriching and fun. Together, you'll discover the magic of creativity. Children thrive in environments that encourage self-directed play. Our studio offers a 24/7 come-and-go convenience for families, making it easy to fit creativity into your busy schedule. Here, play is not just fun, it's transformative. Research shows that tinkering can reduce stress and anxiety. Our space is designed to foster emotional growth through exploration. Let your child enjoy the freedom of play, where every discovery is a step towards confidence. By signing up for a family membership, you unlock endless creative opportunities. Empower your child to recognize their agency during play. Together, you'll embark on a journey of discovery and growth. Sign up today and watch your child's creativity soar. With our studio, every visit is a new adventure. Join us and become part of a community that celebrates imagination and innovation.